so we are going to teach you a contemporary combo that's actually in the center this time, not across the floor. And the purpose of this one is to work on your quality of movement because it's nice and slow, but also to do the entire combo to the length of an entire song. So we really want you to work on improving how you do the combo and experimenting with the combo from the beginning of the song all the way to the end of the song. And hope you enjoy. Okay, so I'm gonna go through this slowly with counts and then I'll demo to music. You're gonna start in a fourth position. Chest and arms are gonna be heavy and you're gonna melt down 1, 2, however you want. You're gonna pull up as if there was a string pulling your chest. Arms are dancer's choice from here. 3, 4. So you can do anything you want with your arms and your legs. To push on 5, nice and heavy. To push 6, nice and heavy. To swing 7 and 8. And you toss your arms. From here, you're gonna drop down heavy on 1, 2. You're gonna come up and over on your toes. 3, 4 to melt. 5, 6 to push. 7 and 8. From here, you're gonna step forward. 1 to swing your leg however you want. On 2 to step. 3 to step. 4. You're gonna swing up and over on 5 and 6, this is your prep for a coupe pirouette. 7 and 8, to start over and repeat yourself. Jump right back in that fourth position on 1, 2, up, 3, 4.
And now I'm running out of ways to numb the pain. So if you're gonna hurt me, why don't you hurt me a little bit more? Just dig a little deeper, push a little harder than before. And I'm counting down the seconds that we have. I can see the end inside at last. So if you're gonna hurt me, why don't you hurt me a little bit?
Okay, so we hope that you liked that one and we'll have fun with that. Just keep in mind as you're doing this in the center to really work on your timing with this. Experiment maybe doing something faster the first time you do it and then a different part of it a little bit slower the next time you do it. So really play around with your timing and also focus on performing this as a piece instead of just a combo that you're doing in the center. Good luck.